Now we discuss about the Constituent Assembly. Constituent Assembly means a drafting of the document was done by an assembly of elected representative. So this elected representative draft the document of the constitution. So elections to the Constituent Assembly was held in July 1946. Now we put another question: why should we accept the constitution? It expresses a broad consensus to the time. See, the constitution is not only a viewpoint or the thinking of the frameworkers alone, but it was also in converse with the time. The adequate data that prevailed in this time or available for the time, and also the recent changes in the world also considered in constitution. It expressed a broad then the second one, the Constituent Assembly represented the people of India. The number of the particular Constituent Assembly also represented different parts of the country, especially their culture, their needs also included through these members. The Constituent Assembly worked in a systematic, open, and consensual manner. So these are the elements that also accept widely the Constitution of India to the nation. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was appointed as a chairman of the drafting committee, and about 299 members were there in this particular Constituent Assembly, and Constitution was adopted in 26 November 1949, and it was enacted in 26 January 1950. Values of the Indian Constitution. The overall philosophy of Constitution is based on the views of the major leaders and what the Constitution says about its own philosophy. So these are the two aspects of the philosophy of Indian Constitution. One is based on the major leaders and the other is based on the philosophy of Constitution itself. So the major leaders discussed in the textbook, that is Mahatma Gandhi, Ambedkar, Jawaharlal Nehru, and their important views and opinions also discussed in the text. The philosophy of the Constitution is mainly explicitly represented in the preamble. The Constitution begins with a short statement of its basic values. Now we discuss the key words in the preamble. We the people of India. The Constitution is enacted by the representatives of the people of India and not handed over by any king or outside powers. Next keyword, that is sovereign. That means no external power can dictate the government of India. Another important keyword, that is socialist. Wealth is generated socially and should be shared equally by the society. Another keyword, that is secular. There is no official religion for the country and the complete freedom to follow any religion. A democratic. It's a form of government where people enjoy equal political rights, elect their rulers, and hold them accountable. Another important element, keyword, that is republic. The head of the state is an elected person and not hereditary position. Justice. The social inequalities have to be reduced. Government should work for the welfare of all, especially of the disadvantaged groups. Another important keyword, that is liberty. There is no unreasonable restrictions on the citizens. Equality, all are equal before law. Then fraternity, all of us should behave as we are members of the same family. No one should treat a fellow citizen as inferior. These are the main themes or main elements among the preambles discussed in the textbook. Thank you.